Most commonly, Autorun will launch or install a new program on the media. Now, disabling Autorun in Windows will help prevent accidental installation of viruses and other malware. So if you want to learn more about this, make sure to keep watching on this video. Now first, click the Start menu, type Autoplay Settings, then press Enter. Now in here, click the toggle switch with the Windows switch off below Autoplay. Then, you should also select Take No Action in the option below Removable Drive and Memory Card. Lastly, using Registry Editor, do it by opening regedit, navigate to this location, enter one of the following values, then click OK once done. And that's how you can disable Autorun in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.